up? How are you doing? Welcome to You, Me and Books, where we tell you if books are worth it for you to read. Today I'm going to be talking about books by Agatha Christie. She was an amazing writer, writing murder mysteries by two of her famous detectives, Hercule Poirot and Miss Marple. Today I'm going to be reviewing one of my favorite Hercule Poirot mysteries, Murder on the Orient Express. I will also be giving you recommendation of more books like this if you have already read it or want to try it out. So be sure to stick around till the end. Now, without further ado, let's get to it. We started recording. So let me tell you a little bit about this book. As you may have guessed, there is a murder on this train known as Orient Express. There is something weird about this train. It is not like the other trains. It's so weird that so many passengers come together and seem to be connected and travel as a whole, but only for a few days. Then they go on their own paths and they may never see each other again. This book is so amazing that there was a movie made on it. It released in 2017 and now available on Disney Plus Hotstar. But trust me, it's a universal truth that the book is always better than the movie. But yes, you can check out the movie as well. So what happens is, this train is going very well. All the passengers are together, having fun, this, that. But then there is a snowstorm and the train has to stop. And in midst of this snowstorm, there is a murder. Of course there is a murder. Somebody is dead in their compartments and they have been stabbed 12 times and the door is locked on the inside and a window is open and all the snow has been coming in. But there is no way that a murderer could come in or escape through the window since they are standing still in a snowstorm and there is nowhere that the murderer could go. That only means one thing: the murderer is on the train. But that doesn't tally. How can the murderer be on the train? The door is locked on the inside. And various characters drop in their various experiences and Poirot is even more confused. See how this mystery is solved by a pot-bellied, round-faced Belgian with a puffy nose. Everybody thinks that he's a damn foreigner. But is he? And if he's not, then how will he solve a mystery where none of the consequences tally? Why was he stabbed 12 times? How is the door locked? Why is the window open? Well, if you want to find out the answer to these questions, read Murder on the Orient Express. One thing that you are going to love about this book, and something that I loved as well, is that a lot of details keep pouring in as you go through this fast-paced adventure, and a lot of things keep you enthralled and guessing till the end. You will not be able to figure anything out till the last page. And it's just that keeps you entertained throughout the book. That also brings me to one more point, that it is completely unpredictable, something mandatory for a mystery. Till Hercule Poirot explains it in the last page, you will never be able to actually figure out that who has done it. And he figures it out in such a short span that you are completely impressed by it. One more thing I love about this book is a lot of the characters. They all have their unique traits, their attitudes and their misconceptions about the mystery and Hercule Poirot as well. And I love all of them and all of their attitudes, and you will love them too. Final point is that Hercule Poirot. When you first look or read about Hercule Poirot, you'll be like, he's a fat man with a egg-shaped head. What does he know about all this? He is so dumb. And that's what most of the characters think too. And Agatha Christie has described that shocking feeling so well when he actually solves the mystery and everybody's like, what? That was my reaction as well. So yes, that misconception kind of adds to the humor also, but it also adds to the interesting part in the book. So that will also be something that you will love about this book. It has so many aspects, so many details, so many different characters, amazing characters, and unpredictable plot. You are gonna love this book. 10 years and above, everyone can read it. Don't be in the misconception that this is an old book, it's for adult and stuff. No, it is for kids as well. You are gonna love it. Be sure to read it. This book has a lot of things that I loved, and I think it deserves 5 stars. If you have already read this book or more stuff like this, be sure to check out And Then There Were None by Agatha Christie. I don't have a lot of details about that to give you since I haven't read it myself, and it would spoil it for me if I went on the internet and searched up. But I have heard of this book a lot, that people prefer reading with this book or before this book, so be sure to check that out as well. And another thing you can try out, a book that I have read myself, is another mystery by Agatha Christie called The Murder of Roger Ackroyd. It is also a really amazing book and an unpredictable mystery. Though I would prefer Murder on the Orient Express a lot more than this book, this is also a book that you will enjoy, and if you want to continue reading Agatha Christie, this is also a good choice. So be sure to check these 2 books out. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this review and do read this book as well. And if you want more such reviews, do check out our other videos, and also for more videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell as well. Like and share this video with your friends if they want to read these books too. That's all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.